Elegant diamond design. Large area luminous. Soft light. No harm to eyes. We use PC material for the lampshade. Good light transmission. Long lifespan due to the aluminum material. The battery is under the solar panel, which is good waterproof. E27 lamp holder. Easy to replace the light source. Light color temperature 3000 to 6000 K. Time control can set 8 to 12 hours lights on. There are white color and black color housing for option, according to the different building design style. It's not only used as a solar wall lamp, but also a wall washer with 3000K and 6000K LED light. You can see the light is very nice. It is intelligent. No need to turn on the switch before installation. With sensitive sensor to save energy for longer working time. 2 working modes, constant mode and sensor mode. Adopt lots of high brightness LED chip in long lifespan 50,000 hours. No cables, very easy to install.